Hi everyone, I'm Eva from Qingdao Enjoy Farming Machinery. Today we come to our factory. Let me show you around the factory. Let's go. This is our showroom. Let me introduce some details for you. The feeder can adjust and can be customized. The gestation crate. Material is hot dip galvanized. And this material is also hot dip galvanized. And the length is 2.3 meters. The width is 0.65 meters. This is farrowing crate. And we can see some details. The feeder can be customized. The piglet anti-pressure rail can be adjusted. This is the sow anti-pressure rail. When the sow stand up or lie down, this can avoid the sow press the piglets. We can see the sow floor is relatively high. The special design makes it easier for piglets to breastfeed. The rear door can also be fully opened. Both the front and back doors can be opened. This is stainless steel feeder trough. We can take a look inside the trough. The material of the fence is hot dip galvanized. It is the best quality. This is accessories.
Do you like this kind of pig raising equipment? Please contact Lin Wang.